Hey everybody, welcome back. Just going to show you a quick maintenance tip for your Polaris Trailblazer. This is a 250. This one's a 1998 model year. So we're going to show you just some real basic things that you should be doing a few times a year if you do any kind of riding, or depending on the amount of riding you do, and of course the terrain that you go through. If you go through a lot of water, you want to be doing this a little bit more. If you're just on dry land and stuff, maybe some trail riding, maybe not as often, but still get it done. It is very important. Greasing the machine. You got all the Zerk fittings on the suspensions. Keep them greased. Two really good reasons why. Number one, you put fresh grease into there. Number two, get some of the old grease out, and it also pushes out some of the moisture. We'll show you where the fittings are on this particular machine. This is a two-wheel drive, automatic, 250, two-stroke. Here we go. Take a quick look. Number one, right on the axle. Now you can see, I've already done it. Push the old grease out here and here. Now the two tough ones, right up inside there, that's your lower, your swing arm, your upper bushing area, if you will. There's one. And there's the other one, tucked way up underneath. That one's a little difficult to get to, but still nice, straightforward, easy. Nothing on the shock, nothing on the upper. Just 1, 2, 3 on the lower. Swing around to the passenger side. Right there, right on the brake. Right there. Yeah, I'm going to wipe off the excessive. That's okay. I already did that. Coming around to the front of the machine. Lower ball joint. Right down here. Right? There we go. Zerk fitting on the lower control arm. One Zerk fitting pushes out the grease on both ends. If you have no grease come out on one end and only on the other end, you may have a seized bushing inside here, so you might want to check that. You should get grease out on both sides, okay? Both sides. So 1, 2, tie rod end. Right up there. So you got 3 per side. Let's go on the other side. 1 down below, right? There's your grease fitting, your Zerk fitting on your lower control arm. Again, grease coming out both ends, right? Pushing the old grease and water out, putting the new grease in. Right here in the steering shaft. There you go again. Bring the camera on this way. Right down in here. There we go. Got that one, right? Coming across. Tie rod end. Again, you're pushing the old grease out, getting any moisture out, anything like that. Now, I thought that there was one on the steering shaft going up way at the neck, but boy, I can't remember. I might have to just pull off the plastic here and get to it, that kind of stuff. Nothing on the on the driver's side, if you will. So there you go. If you have any questions or comments on this one here is again, I'm going to confirm that. Boy, yeah. It's 1997, December of 1996, this one was built. Look at the shape of this thing. It's pretty amazing, actually. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them. Thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing and all that fun stuff. So cheers. Thank you. Last shot of the machine. There we go.